Hello and welcome back. Today I really felt like using green eyeshadow. I started out by priming my eyelids with concealer. Going into the crease with a medium warm brown as a base shadow to build off of. Applying it to the inner and outer corner and connecting it in the crease. Darkening the outer corner, the inner corner and crease with a cinnamon shade. Patting on an emerald green and lightly blending out the edges of the center lid shade. Further blending out any harsh edges. Lightly adding a little more green. Highlight the brow bone with a frosty cream color. Blending the crease and the brow bone shadows with nothing on the brush. Adding a highlight that shifts green over top of the green and brow bone. This softened the lid, but also added an extra shift to the green in the light. On to the next eye. Should I start doing both eyes at the same time or continue doing it this way? I notice retention drops after I finish one eyelid. I still can't believe I used to be scared of green eyeshadow. I love how it looks on me so much. This KVD Alchemist palette is so cool. The shades in the pan look white, but they reflect color in the light. Priming my face with a hydrating primer and letting it sit a few minutes before applying the rest of my base makeup. Concealing my dark circles, redness, and breakouts. Right now I'm dealing with a flare-up on my cheeks. I'm not sure what it is, but it's annoying, hot, and kinda itchy. Finishing the base makeup with e.l.f. Halo Glow and foundation. I mix them half and half. It creates a more skin-like finish. Setting heavier under the eyes and T-zone, then lightly dusting the rest of my face. Adding bronzer to my cheek, bones, temples, and forehead, and very lightly on the sides of my nose. Adding a bunch of a darker pink blush to my cheeks and nose. I keep my blush higher to lift the look of the face. Highlighting with the shifty green highlight. Highlights like this are so cool. Framing the bottom lash line with the cinnamon shade, putting the emerald shade on the center and highlighting the inner corner with the highlight. Melting down the powders. Lining and tight lining with black. This is where I wish I had a green liner for my waterline. Curled my lashes off camera, and now I'm applying an even coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes. These left lashes are annoying. I curled them and they're still pointing down. Don't sleep on your face. Filling in the brows. I'm thinking of getting one of the brow pens where you can make tiny hair like flicks. Setting the brows in place with the e.l.f. brow lift. Using a warmer nude tone matte liquid lipstick, but then I decided I didn't like the matte look. That can stay in 2016. A gloss is definitely needed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.